So your Edochie condition don worse reach like dis. Eya! Dem really talk am say a closed mouth is a closed destiny. No wonder when Yul Edochie meet Obi Cubana, which dey no be few days ago for Owerri, when dem go for City Boys movement wey dem go do when pipo come go snatch what belongs to dem. The village boys enter the City Boys movement party come collect everything. The renewed hope national youth tour wey dem do for Owerri, wey e be say last e end in premium tears. Everywhere scatter. Even Yul Edochie red cap wey e put for head, dem say dem no see am. No wonder when Yul Edochie meet Obi Cubana, e begin hail am, dey shake am, dey video am like mumu, like pikin wey e be say dem give lollipop make e lick. Like the way he was so excited with Obi Cubana sitting close to him, I talk am say Yul Edochie need something from dis man o. Because up till today, Obi Cubana no even repost that video on his page. No be say he like to dey with Yul Edochie because big time Yul Edochie fuck up. If you be real man, you go know say wetin Yul Edochie do. When he choose side chick over family, he fuck up. He fuck up big time. During that renewed hope national youth tour in Owerri, where Yul Edochie reveal say im dey with the leader Obi Cubana, na dem say Yul come dey complain give Obi Cubana say omo things rough for am o. Say make Obi Cubana no forget am, make Obi Cubana abeg. He wan really dey do things with the big boys as im don dey join City Boys movement. Make dem still dey see am for im body. Make Obi Cubana abeg ex ten d e help to am, say things really dey hard for am. Even im house wey Judy Austin, the one bedroom apartment wey dey rent for Abuja so, say im dey owe almost 6 months now, im never fit pay. Dem say e come dey tell Obi Cubana say abeg if anything dey at all, make Obi Cubana, make men remember am. Today, just few hours ago, my pipo, na im dem say Yul Edochie come dey happy o. When I first hear the gist say Obi Cubana promise Yul say im go give am something, im go give am one house from dis im estate wey e dey build for Asaba, because Obi Cubana just dey, like now, work dey go on. Obi Cubana wan build Cubana Millennium City Asaba for Asaba, Delta State. Guys, dis house no go put body if your skin no full. Na very beautiful estate wey Obi Cubana wan build make people rent. So as the work dey go on, Yul Edochie today na Yul come write say Obi Cubana is a big asset to Ndigbo, a true Igbo king and leader, a man who has built many men and keeps building. I visited him at his site, Cubana Millennium City, Asaba, recently to discuss a few things. And when we were done, he said to his team, Yul, we own a house here. Just like that, unexpected. This is what he has been doing for lots of people for so many years silently. But many Igbos don't know what we have. A true leader invests in his people. A true leader builds his people. Okpatazuara, Okpole, Yankee, Obi Cubana. Thank you, one name. Deeply appreciated. May you never lack, and may God lift you more and more. Just like that, Obi Cubana say Yul go own a house here. So he's planning to give Yul Edochie one apartment after the building, after everything is done, after the home is ready, like everything don't dey okay, when you go fit put out for rent for this Cubana Millennium estate for Asaba. Now Yul come don dey appeal, say unexpected, e just come like that. Say he dey truly grateful, deeply appreciated, that he appreciated Obi Cubana for his kind gesture. Omo, no let online in-law say no wonder we saw it coming, because Yul Edochie no even get place to call his own. He no dey like stay with Judy Austin. He doesn't even want to stay with Judy in Abuja. Yul prefer to be in that Asaba so that he and Judy go dey far apart. Now, if Obi Cubana eventually give Yul Edochie maybe 2-bedroom apartment from this Obi Cubana Millennium Estate when they build for Asabana. Yul is not even planning to bring Judy and her children over to this place to live with him. House never even come. You don't dey write long episode like this. The project never even finish. They never even do anything. You don't dey appreciate Obi Cubana ahead. Like you don't write full everywhere. Go Facebook, go Instagram, everywhere. You don't dey thank because you no want make Obi Cubana have a change of mind. He no want make Obi Cubana make am homeless because now he don't pull mind. Say at least give am 2-3 months from now, this project will be done. So definitely, one apartment go reach in hand since Obi Cubana don't tell am say, Yul, we own a house here. Just like that, unexpected. My people, na so online in-laws come begin drag Yul Edochie like I pass my neighbor generator. Say e no dey shame, beggy. Since when Queen May Edochie leave am, see im life. They never even give am house. So when this na the same man when he call you that time, say Yul, put your head down. Because the man, Obi Cubana, see your condition, say you are getting worse. It is getting worse by the day. Maybe out of pity, na make am wan even give you 1 bedroom now, make you dey stay for there. Yes, out of pity, because Obi Cubana na good man, even though say he go join City Boys movement, like everybody dey disappointed, say Obi Cubana, when you know how that country be, now the insecurity no be here. Yet, he still dey support Tinubu tenure. He still dey support the return of Tinubu to complete his 8 years on seat. Like, it no really make sense at all. Anyway, what do we expect? The rich people, they no even dey suffer wetin the poor masses dey suffer for the country. So, Obi Cubana no really support Yul Edochie when all these things happen. I remember vividly several times blogs carry am dey for headline how Obi Cubana reacted when Yul choose side chick over his family. When he use him hand take scatter him own family, scatter him children, scatter everywhere. Yul doesn't even have contact with his children anymore. He's no longer in contact with them because of Judy. And now he dey regret. Obi Cubana know say Yul is not even happy. He's not he's not happy with what happened to him or what he caused by himself. He's not happy with his current situation. So he just want help Yul Edochie out from this stress because Yul really need a house. He need a place to call home. He is homeless. Today, he go dey one of his friend place for Asaba. Tomorrow, he go travel, go Port Harcourt, go stay for one of his friend house. That is how Yul Edochie has been living from one friend's house to another. He doesn't want to live with Judy Austin. Obi Cubana just promise Yul Edochie say you will own a house here. You don dey write long episode. You know, people say just see Mugu, no shame again. Man like you, they dash you house. You dey happy. You just dey happy. You just dey remind them so that make the man not go have a change of mind. You don't they happy. They tell and say thank you. You don't they praise and say see how good he is. He is a true leader that invests in his people. A true leader that build his people. You know, fellow say a true leader it be when they give you advice that time. If to say you not see wetin you see with Judy Austin, by now maybe you and Queen May don dey build another mansion again. You for not come dey put eye for 1 bedroom now when Obi Cubana won't give you from the estate. You go and check yourself. Online in-law say you really need to check yourself. You really need to check yourself because this is getting out of hand. They say Onga really dey deal with Yul Edochie like this. Say Yul just dey do all these things for his stomach. He just carry Obi Cubana come out today and just dey praise am, dey hail am, dey thank am for house wey they never even complete. No be say na promise the man just talk. He just say you will own a house here. Maybe he's saying you can buy a house here. You know they buy. Must Obi Cubana dash you house? Wetin happen if you use your own money take buy this house or rent am? Wetin happen when you come now? You dey hail Obi Cubana as the best man now in Nigeria. Go and work and stop looking for free house. Go and work. I don't know whether your sense don't dey far from you. See how everybody they drag you up and down for social media. Now you use your hand take cause all these things when you they go through. So now you use your own hand. Imagine the big mansion now when Queen May get for Aja. Imagine the mansion when a day together. Now you are happy over 1 bedroom apartment when Cubana Chief Prince won't give you. It's just a promise, so he just said it you will own a house here. It might make you can buy a house here, not be free. Yul Edochie, you fit buy a house here. It no mean say na free he won't give you. when you just back come out now, come dey write a long episode. I no fear. Anyway, my people, since Yul Edochie don dey happy, dey let us know say Obi Cubana don promise am something. Make all of us follow am happy, because at the end of the day, na last na our neck Yul Edochie dey. Judy don see wetin Judy don cause Yul. E don turn out to beggy, attention seeker. E don tey wey e dey seek for Obi Cubana attention. Finally now, this City Boys movement renewed hope for Tinubu. E don bring them together. So this is just the beginning. Yul no go let us rest again for social media. E don turn slave to Obi Cubana and Seyi. E don turn slave to them. Anywhere belle face, anywhere, anything wey they say make e do now, na im go dey do. Anyway, guys, wanna follow Yul Edochie happy o. Obi Cubana don promise am say e go own a house in his estate when the project is completed. So Yul now don dey happy in advance. But e come pay me say, omo, Judy last na Abuja that one go still dey, because Yul Edochie no go ever carry Judy Austin enter that house for Asaba. Yul cannot live with Judy. Like they are two, they are not compatible at all. Na condition make crayfish burn. Na condition make Yul Edochie and Judy even dey come get 3 children together. Condition, because na Lekpekus na be the only thing wey Judy dey offer. So anytime when you go Abuja, the only thing wey Judy get to offer you na Kpeku. So as e knack, e don still enter. Now they take born 3 children now for under 4 years. Congratulations to Yul Edochie in advance. But guy, go and work. Your mates are working. They just promise you house. Say you will own a house here. You don't begin dey call Obi Cubana the best man ever. Now so e dey great. Igbo people no know wetin they get. You know the shame at all. This na Bazi News. Hit on the follow button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and remember to put up the post notification bell. I will see you all on my next upload. Wanna follow Yul Edochie happy o. He say wanna follow am happy, say at least anytime from now, he go become a landlord in Asaba. Glory be to God.